If 1 is added to the product of two consecutive even natural numbers, then the final result is equal to the square of the odd natural number between the two numbers. So if we take two consecutive even numbers, let's say we have 2 and 4, we have 4 and 6, then let's take 8 and 10, and let's take 12 and 40. Okay, so now it says that if you multiply them, so this is 8, this is 24, this is 80, and this is 168. Okay, now if we add 1 to this to 8, what do you get? We get 9. Okay, now if 2 and 4 are two consecutive even numbers, then 3 is the odd number that comes between two consecutive even numbers, right? So this is 9 and this is actually what? 3 squared. Here you have 24, this is 24. Now if you add 1 to 24, you get 25. Now 4 and 6 are two consecutive even numbers, and the natural number that will be odd natural number that comes between 4 and 6 is 5, and this is what? Actually 5 squared. Same here, this is 80, you add 1 to it, you get 81. This is 81 means 9 squared. This 9 is the odd natural number that comes between these two consecutive even natural numbers, that is 8 and 10, right? Same, if you add 1 to it, you get 169, and this is 13 squared. 13 is the odd natural number that comes between these two consecutive even natural numbers, that is 12 and 14. So if you add 1 to the product of two consecutive even natural numbers, then the final result is equal to the square of the odd natural number that comes between these two consecutive even natural numbers.